Hi everyone, welcome back to Dinner and Sugar. Today I am going to prepare a butterscotch ripple banana bread. So this is unlike any other banana bread that you have. It has a unique spice blend and of course these delicious butterscotch chips. I really like these. So this is just 1/2 cup of butterscotch chips and I'm just going to put them in the microwave to melt them. And I'll be right back. Okay, here's our chips. And they were in the microwave for about a minute and they're nice and warm and melty. And I'm just gonna give them a stir so that they're nice and fluid. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here for now. 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of sugar in the bowl. I need 1 3/4 cup of flour. So that's 1 cup. So 1 3/4 cup of flour. So these are the rest of my dry ingredients. It is some ground cinnamon, baking soda, salt, green cardamom, and some nutmeg. So these are my dry ingredients and I just want to put those in. And then we just want to make sure all these things are really nice and incorporated. So just grab a whisk and give these a stir. Focus on the wet ingredients for a little bit. So I just have a measuring cup here and I have 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and this is some buttermilk because I have it on hand and I don't want it to go to waste, but you could also use just plain regular milk, but this is some buttermilk, about 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I just want to whisk these things. So these are my bananas. They're really a little far gone. The thing about bananas when they're this well seasoned, I'll say, is the skin gets a little tough. So I just had to give it a cut. So that's our bananas in the pot, and I think I just might need a little more. Add a little bit of this ripe banana mix. Okay, so with my potato masher, I just mash these. And I want them to be to almost like a liquid state. And then I start to go like this, where I'm kind of like turning them on themselves, like folding them almost. And I don't really want any lumps in these bananas either. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. The bananas are like a really kind of well in the middle, and pour in your wet ingredients. So you just want to be gentle with this. You don't want to over mix it, you don't want to whip it. You just want these ingredients to come together in this before I put in my banana mixture. Okay, so now I'll make another like little well in the middle, and it's time for our banana mixture. So you just want to get that into the pot. So you just want to get that into the bowl. So now I'm just going to gently kind of mix this. Just use a really light touch. I'm kind of folding and then bringing the mixture back towards me. And I would just want to get these mashed bananas incorporated. So I'm not really stirring, I'm kind of scraping the bottom. Okay, so here is our beautiful mix. And I did not forget about the butterscotch. Here is our butterscotch. Look at that, it's like a little butter. To kind of temper it. So I'm tempering the butterscotch with a little batter. And this is gonna make our ripple. Maybe about a half a cup. And again, even with this, I'm being gentle because I don't like tough things. I like my things to be really light and airy. Whenever I make the banana bread like a little heavy, my husband and my son, they really enjoy it. They're always like, oh, that's the best one. And I'm a little bit thrifty, and this was at Home Goods for $12. And so because this is my new pan, I'm just gonna line this with some parchment paper. Okay, so now we're just gonna get our mix in. I put in my butterscotch. Okay, so just give this a little stir. And I'm just kind of laying this in. And this is our butterscotch mixture. Okay, this is the last of my butterscotch ripple mix. So that was my first step. And now I'm just gonna try and make some swirls. So I'm kind of just mixing and swirling. So I ripple that way. Okay, here is our butterscotch ripple banana bread. Look at like the little lakes of butterscotch that are like peeking through the top. I can't wait to get into this.